Be ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, Para, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the 15th annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and audited statement of account for the year under review have been with you for some time now, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. I am proud to announce that your company has completed a decade of excellent performance. During this period, your company has achieved tremendous progress and is now occupying an eminent position among the best in the industry today. This growth has been made possible due to our commitment to quality and excellence in service even during difficult times. Para, the continued support from the shareholders and the investigating public has helped the employees commit themselves to achieve this impressive growth. During this year, also, your company has achieved significant growth. The net profit of your company has also increased when compared to last year. The fixed deposit mobilization campaign of your company was a total success, and the deposit revealed an all-time record of rupees 500 lakhs. In appreciation of the excellent result, the board of directors have recommended a dividend of 30% of all equity shares. The Reserve Bank of India had introduced certain regulatory measures on the operation of non-banking finance companies last year. This is a very welcome measure, and I am glad to report that we have fully complied with these regulations. The non-banking finance companies play a key role in the country's economic activity by helping in mobilizing deposit from the public. The organized sector of non-banking financial companies conform to the discipline and transparency expected by the Reserve Bank of India. However, unfortunately, the aggressive practice of the companies in the unorganized sector who resort to offering high rate of interest has brought a bad name to companies in this line of business and has credited appreciation in the minds of policy makers. The result is that the Reserve Bank of has curbed all the non-banking financial institutions together in according a lower priority for financial support. Instead of trying to restrict credit to the companies in organized sector, the Reserve Bank should formulate a policy to cover companies in unorganized sector also, so that they follow the regulation relating to deposit mobilization and transparency in reporting. Para, the Reserve Bank of India has announced certain policies which give freedom to the banking sector to fix interest rates on long-term deposit. We have made a request to the Reserve Bank to extend similar facility to the non-banking companies also, which are engaged in the asset financing. The momentum of the economic growth achieved in the immediate past is likely to continue. The country's economy witnessed impressive growth rate over the previous year. In addition to the encouraging export, the monsoon this year, though delayed, was good. Stop.